Hello guys, welcome back to AS Learning. So in this video we will see how can we find nth highest salary using Java Stream API. So if you want to know same thing using SQL, so we have already covered this question in our SQL interview question playlist. So I will share the Java interview questions and SQL interview question playlist in the description, so you can refer that. So coming back to this question, first you will need to write one Pojo class so that we can demonstrate this Java Stream examples on it. So I have already created just simple getter, setter and some field, and I have created one array list and added some 5 records in it. Okay, that is simple object. So to find for suppose third highest salary, so what we will do, we will just write list dot stream list dot stream, then map only with salary, as we have to deal in this case only with salary. So e to get reference, e dot get salary. Okay, now we have only salary in our stream. So now we will perform operation sorted, that is we will first sort these records in the that is salary in the reverse order. So we will get highest salary at the first place. So sorted like second method, and here we have to compare, write the comparator dot reverse order, so that it will sort in reverse order. Comparator dot reverse order. So till now we will get all our salary in the reverse order, means in descending order. So now if we have to this is like main logic, if you have to find third highest salary, so what we will do, we will get now reverse order. So we will just keep first two salary because we have to find third highest. So we will just skip first two, mention here 2. Now when we skip this first 2, so now the first record in our list in our stream will be third one. So we will automatically get that third highest salary. So to fetch that, we will just write find first, because the first element now is third one, find first. Okay, now we will just store this in some variable. So as our salary I have declared in double, so let's use that only. So if you see, it will give compile error, so that it is throwing optional. So just write here optional, and when you return or print this output, so just use get method. So you will get actual salary dot get. So if you consider this example, in 5 records second highest salary is 70, what is this, 7 lakh or something like that. So there are 2 salaries, so it will return 1 only. So now let's check. Yeah, it's returning 7. What do you need? 10, 100, 1000, 70 lakh, sorry. Okay, now if I change this output, we will again test one. If I write this, so what it will return now, 6 lakh it should return, 5 lakh or 50 lakh. Yeah, it's returning the same. So this is how you can find the higher and highest salary. To find nth, you just have to write that n value in the skip function and then just return find first. So I hope you got this concept. We will also cover more questions on Java 8 Stream API and other Java programming interview questions. So stay tuned. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel AS Learning.